Do you feel exhausted even after a good night's sleep? Does a simple task like walking up the stairs leave you feeling drained? This isn't just about being tired. It could be your liver trying to tell you something. Unexplained fatigue and weakness are some of the most common early symptoms of fatty liver disease. Your liver is a powerhouse, responsible for processing nutrients, detoxifying your body, and providing you with energy. But when excess fat builds up in the liver, its ability to perform these critical functions is compromised. This leaves you feeling sluggish, weak, and unable to function at your best. The causes of fatigue and fatty liver disease go beyond just energy production. A compromised liver can lead to inflammation, which further drains your energy reserves and adds to the feeling of constant tiredness. Additionally, fatty liver disease can cause hormonal imbalances and disrupt glucose metabolism, both of which can amplify fatigue. So, how can you combat this? Start by supporting your liver through healthy lifestyle choices. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in whole foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains. Certain foods, such as broccoli, avocados, and nuts, are especially beneficial for liver health. Stay hydrated, limit alcohol consumption, and prioritize regular exercise, like brisk walking or yoga, to improve circulation and reduce liver fat. Also, be mindful of medications or substances that may add extra stress to your liver. Painkillers, processed foods, and sugary drinks can all contribute to liver strain, making your symptoms worse. Replacing these with healthier options can lead to noticeable improvements in your energy levels over time. If your fatigue persists or worsens, don't ignore it. Consulting a healthcare professional can help determine if your liver might be the root cause and guide you toward the right steps to address it. Symptom number 2, discomfort or pain in the upper right abdomen. Have you ever felt an uncomfortable ache or pain on the right side of your abdomen, just under your ribs? This is the area where your liver resides. Such discomfort could be an early sign of fatty liver disease. When fat builds up in the liver, it can cause inflammation and swelling, which leads to pain or discomfort in this area. For some, it might feel like a dull ache that comes and goes, while for others, it could be a persistent sensation that worsens after meals or physical activity. The pain might even radiate to your back or shoulder, which is why it's often mistaken for gallbladder issues, muscle strain, or indigestion. To identify if this pain is related to your liver, watch for other symptoms like fatigue, unexplained changes in appetite, bloating, or weight fluctuations. When these signs occur together, they often point to your liver being under stress, struggling to process nutrients or detoxify your body effectively. So what steps can you take if you notice this symptom? Start by making dietary adjustments. Reduce or eliminate processed foods, fried items, and sugary drinks from your meals. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats such as avocado or olive oil. Including anti-inflammatory options like turmeric, ginger, and fatty fish can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Additionally, consider adopting a consistent exercise routine to improve circulation and aid in reducing liver fat. Activities like walking, cycling, or swimming are gentle yet effective for promoting liver health. If the discomfort persists, intensifies, or is accompanied by other severe symptoms like jaundice or dark urine, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection and lifestyle changes can prevent further complications and restore your liver's health. Have you noticed your weight fluctuating without making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine? Unexplained weight gain or loss can be more than just a temporary change. It could be a sign that your liver isn't functioning as it should. The liver plays a central role in metabolizing fats and carbohydrates, as well as regulating hormones that impact your appetite and weight. When excess fat builds up in the liver, it can disrupt these processes. Inflammation caused by fatty liver disease can also trigger hormonal imbalances, complicating your body's ability to maintain a stable weight. Water retention from impaired liver function may further contribute to bloating or swelling. To address this, focus on a liver-friendly diet. Incorporate foods like avocados, broccoli, walnuts, and leafy greens such as spinach. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges can also support liver detoxification. Have you ever noticed a yellowish tint to your skin or the whites of your eyes? This condition, known as jaundice, is one of the more alarming signs of liver trouble and could indicate fatty liver disease. Jaundice occurs when there's an excess of bilirubin in your bloodstream. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment produced when your body breaks down red blood cells, and your liver is responsible for processing and eliminating it. But jaundice is more than just a cosmetic issue. It's a warning sign that your liver is under significant stress, and in some cases, it may indicate advanced liver damage or the progression of fatty liver disease. To address this, prioritize foods that support liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and fruits such as oranges and blueberries can provide the antioxidants and nutrients your liver needs. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding alcohol are also crucial for giving your liver a break and promoting its natural detoxification processes. If you notice jaundice or any related symptoms, don't wait. Consult a healthcare professional immediately. Early detection and intervention can help reverse fatty liver disease, protect your liver from further damage, and improve your overall well-being. Have you ever noticed your urine appearing unusually dark or your stool looking lighter than normal? While these changes might seem minor, they can be crucial indicators of fatty liver disease or other liver-related issues. Dark urine often occurs due to an excess of bilirubin in your system. When your liver isn't functioning optimally, it struggles to process and eliminate bilirubin, causing it to build up in your blood and be excreted through urine, giving it a darker appearance. Pale or clay-colored stool, on the other hand, suggests a problem with bile production or flow. Bile, which is produced by the liver, gives stool its normal brown color. When bile flow is impaired, your stool can take on a pale or chalky appearance. These changes, along with other symptoms like jaundice, fatigue, or abdominal pain, are signals that your liver may need attention. To support your liver, focus on a diet rich in liver-friendly foods like carrots, leafy greens, beets, and whole grains. Avoid alcohol, fried foods, and processed sugars, as these can worsen liver strain. If you notice dark urine or pale stool persisting for more than a day or two, consult a healthcare professional promptly. Your body is always sending you signals, and recognizing the early symptoms of fatty liver disease can make all the difference. Fatigue, abdominal discomfort, weight changes, jaundice, and changes in urine or stool are not just random issues. The good news? With the right lifestyle changes, you can protect your liver and even reverse early-stage fatty liver disease. Incorporate liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, berries, and whole grains. Stay hydrated, avoid alcohol and processed foods. If you've experienced any of these symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Early detection is key to preventing complications and improving your well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.